So, what are the 3 things that every single person should know when getting into the Amazon FBA game? Number 1, you are creating a business. This is not just like buying a stock where you put your money in and then you walk away and it goes up, it goes down, it goes sideways, who knows. This is a business where you need to make sure that you're covered with having your LLC set up correctly, your EIN, you're going to need to deal with tax exemption, and you got to make sure that your business is funded correctly so that you can buy enough products to have a winning operation. Additionally, you need to understand that you're operating on a platform. You're operating on Amazon's platform. It is not the Wild Wild West. There are rules, and you need to know the rules, and you need to follow those rules. And as long as you follow those rules of Amazon FBA, you will win. Okay? So those are the top, that's 1 and 2 right there. And number 3 is that you want to have a competitive advantage in the marketplace. What is going to differentiate you from everybody else out there? So there's a lot of people out there telling you that you can make a lot of money selling Colgate toothpaste, but the reality is that you're only making about $2 a pop on that, okay? Maybe you could try to package it up in some kind of fancy way, but this is the deal. Everybody is selling Colgate toothpaste. You can't go into any store without seeing